volume. And so first we need to know the language of math. So when I say the word volume, another word that we can use that's similar to it, capacity. Everybody say capacity.
Capacity.
Another word similar, hold. Hold. Write that down. Volume, capacity, hold. So if I look at this cup right here, and I say, what is the capacity of this cup? What's another word I could use, people? Anyone?
Volume.
Volume. If I say, how much does this cup hold? What am I talking about?
Capacity.
Or what?
Volume.
Okay, so that's what we're talking about. Holding. What does it hold? Now, if I want to find the capacity of this cup, you've seen this before. V equals L times W times H. So, all right, fine. I'm going to find the capacity. What's another word for that? Volume of this cup. Okay, so I got to go the length times the width times the height, right? Is that how I can find the volume of this? Yes?
No.
Yes?
No.
Why not? Yeah, the sides. Look. It doesn't. The sides are round. This formula only works with rectangular prisms or cubes. Stuff like this, or square prisms. It only works with these. If I told you, okay, well, hey, go ahead and find the area, the volume of this. Could you find it? Length, width. What would be the height of this guy? 4? 3? You can't. You can't. Okay? So this guy only works with rectangular or square prisms. Just like we said last week, P equals side, 4 times the side. This formula finds perimeter for only what? Squares. Only a square. This guy finds the perimeter only for rectangular or square prisms. Okay. So, now, look at this formula. What do you notice? Raise your hand. What do you notice that's familiar about this guy? There's something very familiar about that guy. That, right there. Have you ever seen that guy before?
Yes.
He is what? The formula for what?
Area.
Area. Okay? So if I find the area and I multiply it by the height, that will give me what, everybody?
Volume.
Or what?
Or capacity.
Capacity. Okay. So then, the only thing is, so here's my shape right here, my rectangular prism. So if I'm going to try to find the volume of this, I need to find the area. The area of what, though? Like this side, this side, this side. It's the area of the base. Everybody say area of the base.
Area of the base.
So I got to find the area of this base. Then I find the height. So area of the base. What is the area of this base? I will show it to you now. What is the area of this base? Raise your hand when you know. The area of this base. Oh, I liked how he answered that. Yes, the area of the base is 6. Remember, area is the length times the width. 2 times 3. The area of the base is 6. Now I have to multiply it by the height. What is, another word for height is layers. Height or layers. So, the area of the base is 6. The height is, what is it going to be? How many layers is on here? Is here 4? So 6 times what, group? 6 multiplied by what?
4.
6 multiplied by 4. What is the volume of this? The volume is 24. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, but watch this. You ready? Watch. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Ready? All right, ready? Look at my shape now. Look at my shape now. See it? What is the volume? Who knows what the volume is now? Now what is the volume? Think about that. What is the volume now? Raise your hand. What is the volume? He says it's still 24. Do you agree with him?
Yes.
Well, can we prove it?
Yes.
How would we prove it? How can we mathematically prove it?
Find the area of the base and the height.
Let's find the area of the base. Do you want to see the area of the base?
Yes.
Everybody ready? I'll show you the area of the base. Ready? There it is. There's the area of the base. You figure out what the area of the base is. That is the base. See the base? Everybody see the base? What is the area of that base? Raising your hand.
The area of the base is 12.
The area of the base is 12. Let's see if he's right. That's 3. That's 4. That's 12. Another way. What's another way to find that area? Did anybody know besides going 3 times 12?
Counting all the
Yeah, you can count these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you count them all up, that's 12. Yes. Area of the base is 12. Perfect. So let me rewrite up here. Remember, you always write your formula. Then you what? Plug in your numbers. Area of the base is 12. I multiply by the height. Let's see. What is the height? What is the height?
3.
3. 12 multiplied by 3 is what, group? 20?
36.
Oh!
36.
36. What did I do? Did anybody notice what I did wrong? What did I just do? Look at this.
Oh,
What did I do? Well, what exactly? How did I mess up on this? How did I mess up on this?
You did the height of the base?
I turned it. I switched the base, didn't I? So look, the area of the base is what? 12. What is the height of this? Raising our hand.
The height is 2.
The height is 2. Look, we're right here. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. So look, do you all see the importance? Look, if I say the area of the base is 12, and then I go the height is 2, can I say, look, the area of the base is 12, and then can I flip it like this, and then move it in my head, and then start... If you call this base, if you're going to call this the base, then you need to keep it like that. If I call this the base, what is the base on this? 6. The height is going to be 4. I can't go, oh, the base is 6, and you can't do that. Do you see, if you do that, how you get that wrong? Yes? Yes. Here we go. I'm going to give you a problem. I want you to figure out what is the volume of this shape right here. I'll go like this. Now, does it matter if I go like this or like this?
No.
It's going to still be the same capacity. Okay, but I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way. Figure out what the volume of this shape is. What do you need to see to figure out the volume of this shape? What do you need to see?
Area of the base.
Area of the base. Okay. Who wants to see the area of the base? Ready? There. There's the area of the base. I'm showing you the area of the base. Figure it out. I want to figure out what the volume is. I just gave you the area of the base. Okay. Area of the base is what group? 4. So that means it's like this. Yes? It's not like this. 4. Now I need to find the layers. Height. How many is it? 3. So we have the 3. Write it so we can see our formula written out. Area of the base was 4. Multiply it by what? 3. The volume equals what, group? 12. Also, one last thing. When we write out our formula, I could also plug it in the exact numbers this way. Look, I could plug in the exact length and the width. So I could say V equals, what do we want to call the length? 2. Multiply it by what? 2. Multiply it by what?
3.
By 3. But even if I do this, I always like to pick 2 and multiply them before I do the next guy. So 2 times 2 is 4. I write that down there. Times 3. Volume equals 12. That, friends, is how you find the volume of anything?
No.
The volume of this, right?
No.
So the volume of a, who knows, what was that called? Rectangular prism or square prism. There we go. That's the lesson.